All right, chapter 3. Decimals. So flip over to page, look for these same bullets, page 64. You see our objectives. And first, we want to read and write decimals in numerical and word form. All right, so first, what is a decimal number? Amounts less than whole, or less than 1. So example, 0.44 is a decimal number. The decimal point is a dot written in a decimal number indicating where the place values change. And a mixed decimal. Decimal is written in conjunction with a whole number and a decimal point. For instance, 2.44 is a mixed decimal. All right. So let's flip to page 2, page 66. All right, let's look at this decimal point. All right, so if we take the decimal point,
that's what we're doing. Oh, it's going to be 1800.
And I move it one placement. What place are we? The tens. Taking it out 2. Hundreds. 3. Thousands.
10,000s.
Fourths. 10,000s. 5 100,000s, and so on. Okay, therefore, that's the importance. Remember, where we put that decimal point to hold our place depends on what type of number or what amount we are reporting. Now, if we look at, remember, with the decimal, if we are not dealing with monetary units, we'll just report it as 44.4, for example. Again, when we equate the dollar sign or any type of monetary symbol, remember, using fluctuations, if we're going to use a dollar sign, 44.4 becomes $44.40. Okay, so be sure that if we're dealing with monetary units, again, I'm the finance guy, if we're dealing with monetary units, be sure we report it in monetary units. All right, 0.18. How would you report that in written form?
1800s.
1800s. Again, 2 decimal points. All right, 0.0391. 10,000. 391 10,000ths. 4 placements of the decimal point. All right, I think you have this. Let's flip the page. Rounding decimal numbers to a specified place value. All right, why is this important in business? This is business math, so why would it be important in business?
Numbers numbers frequently contain more decimal places than necessary. So for monetary, you round to the nearest cent. Go beyond thousands of miles.
All right, we use it in business again. How far do we carry it out? You know, again, we don't want to carry it out no further than we need be. Okay, if this was a finance class, or again, you're reporting numbers, how far are you going to take it out? If you're going to report dollars, how far are you taking it out? Hundreds. So remember, you're only going to report it out two if we're talking about monetary units. Okay, I can tell you, it says for other business applications, we usually don't go beyond the thousands. All right, I don't know many numbers in application. Again, I can speak as a finance person and an economist. I was always taught in econ, we took everything out 3 decimal places. In finance, I ever took everything out at 2. I find it true that you very rarely will go beyond the thousands. So just be certain that whatever is being asked of you, that you report it in that way. All right, so covered how to express it into Word. Let's flip over to objective 3.3, adding and subtracting of decimals. All right, so we're going to add right on this side. All right, so what are we going to add here? 45.3922.
Plus 0.0019.
0.0019
Plus 2.9.
plus 2.9
Plus
1,832.
plus what?
1877.32.
0.32.
Yes.
Does that stump you?
I was just thinking, sound like an
You
auctioneer.
missed the part.
It's 3.3.
So to add a decimal, step 1, step 2,
Decimal vertically.
line up all the decimals vertically. And this is important to keep your decimal points aligned. don't know how that's going to show in the video. All right, so when I align my decimal points vertically, what do I do now? We add.
1925.6261.
All right, now remember I said I assumed that chapter 1 we knew how to add. All right, now let's look at subtracting.
87.06.
So subtract what?
87.06
87.06.
minus 35.2.
35.2.
2.
All right, what's this step involve?
Line up your decimal.
Again, line up the decimals and subtract.
Well, here it's 35.20.
Yeah, 0.2. 35.2. So your 0 will be after your 2.
Okay, but we can solve this.
Oh, right.
I'm using.
So 6 minus 2 is 4, drop your 0, so 0.04. And then it would be 5 to 52.04.
52 what?
Oh, 52 and 460.
No, what'd you say? 52 point.
Oh, 04.
Yeah.
0.
What'd you say first time?
Oh, 04. 04.
Pet peeves, pet peeves. Zeros. If this was an accounting, I'd be saying we don't make money. It's illegal to make money, you earn money. It's a zero. All right, what about multiplying?
It's even better, you don't even have to monitor that.
So let's say that we want to multiply
125.4
125.4
times 3.12.
times 4.12.
It's 3.12.
I heard you. What would I do here?
Let's see. If I remember correctly, 1, 2, 3. You would multiply and then move your decimal over however many places is behind the decimal.
Then you add a 0, you add 2 zeros and 3 zeros, and then you come to a chance.
Which is?
2,508.
Do what?
2,508. Well, if it was a 3.
No, he's a 4. He's a 3.
1, 2.
Like the book says, you get, so put your
Okay, so-
4.12 under, hold on. I'll put it under,
Or 1, 2 now.
so it's, the answer is 2.
So 125.4 multiplied by 4.12 is? All right, multiply the whole numbers. Multiply the numbers as if they were whole numbers. disregarding the decimal point.
I'm gonna try to let somebody else.
506.648. Is it 516? Is it 516?
Mhm.
Okay, 516.
648.
All right, 516,648. Now, step 2 says, total the number of decimal places in the two factors. How many decimal places do we have? We have 2 here and 1 there. So I'll sum that and bring that over. And that's how we'll know where to locate it. So first, we want to multiply as if they were whole numbers. We ignore the decimal points. And then we sum the total number of decimal points in each factor. And that's going to tell us where we locate the decimal point in our final answer. All right, divide.
So the column is 8.50 divided by 25.
We want to divide 9.5 by what? 25. So divide 9.5 by 25. What's step 1?
You have to align your decimals.
Move the decimal point in the divisor to the right until it becomes a whole number. Which one of these represent my divisor? 25. We move it to the right until it's a whole number. We're already at a whole number. So we do disregard step 1. Step 2 says to do what?
Divide the numbers. Zeros may be added to the right of the dividend as needed.
All right, move the decimal point the same number of places as you move it in the divisor. All right, so if we take 25, divide it into 9.5. How many times will 25 go into 9.5? None. So what do I do? And then what?
I just find out how many times 25 will go in it. 95.
Don't you know?
How many times will 25 go into 95?
3.
And what's 25 by 3?
75.
Now what? Now what? All right, this is a good place to stop.
Add a zero.
I was gonna say, add a zero, and then it's gonna be 8.
You're gonna add a 0. Now, how many times will 25 go in?
8.
How many times will you, remember, you only want to take it out, let's not take it out unless you're requested to, don't take it out more than 3 decimal places. All right, that's going to conclude